Oi, back up. I really bad man we are chat to using me. I want the blood clot this.
Well, people, listen, ladies and warriors, it's a nice day, it's a beautiful day, give thanks to the Most High. You see me? Well, guess what? Well, up on Instagram, it's a good while now, I give the app a break. But guess what? Go back on the app after a long while and realize Jamaica and Bahamas have a little beef a going. The man them have a little beef a going. You see me? So, I know say, we just see the Bahamian and them on the app everywhere you
Y'all,
go.
but
You
I'm
see
loving
them.
this
They go
whole
in
Bahamian TikTok thing down my For You page. Like, when I say I love when the girls do it and the boys do it, like, it's a whole fucking vibe.
You see me everywhere you go, you see the man them. You see me? So I guess them and the Jamaican them, the people them start a little vibes. You see me? So let me tell you, I don't have nothing against the Bahamian people them or no other island. We love them. Me as a yard man, I don't have nothing against them. You see me? But I always sense a vibe when time I go around certain island people. I don't know why. You see me? I don't know if some other yard man do them something and then just generalize with. You know? You see me? I say? Jamaicans is not a monolith or what them call it. You see me? Everybody have them different personalities and everything. You see me? But me realize some of them have a little vibe towards the Jamaican them. You see me? And me not understand why. You understand? Because we are Jamaican people, we tell you the truth. People, Bahamians, Trinidadians, Guyanese, everybody, listen, we not take nothing serious. And we not take it personal, brother. Me tell you about your mother 1 minute ago, and next minute me ask you if your mother alright. Me understand? Me not take it serious, brother. But the people and me not understand, you see me? Me tell you about your father and tell you say him a want look aquarium beam, you see me? Him belong in a one aquarium. And then the next minute me ask you, yo, your father good? You see me? How the man blood pressure? How him cholesterol? You see
I
me?
don't
And
know
so
what
we
the
fear,
issue
brother.
is
You
with
understand?
some people from other islands when it comes to Jamaicans and when it comes to you lot disrespecting us and not liking us. Because you see, Jamaican people, all we do is eat mangoes and mind our business. You don't see Jamaicans coming on here talking about no other islands. You don't see us picking on you lot. You don't see us bullying you lot. But you lot stay coming on here disrespecting Jamaican people solely for clout. And I don't know why some of you lot do it, because Jamaican people, if anything, we can cuss, bruv. So we just gonna cuss you lot in the comments. Like the Haitians once upon a time tried us and had Jamaican people in the comments about to take back our donations that we gave in the earthquake. Now here comes the nigga that swallowed Jonah from the island of the Bahamas.
Make sure so you know how to stay along.
Talking about Jamaica people unprovoked for no apparent reason. Respucia, what the hell did Jamaican people and Jamaican people's food and culture did to you for you to come out here be disrespecting us? And if we clap back now and we start talking about you lot and we start this and we start that now, you lot will come and try vilify us and make us seem like we are the problem. Now, if one of us Jamaicans was to come on this app, I don't know who, but if one of us was to come on this app and say something along the lines of, we ain't never seen no girl with the capacity to be built like a bad breath, because the minute we saw her, we said, we would be the bad guy. If somebody was to come on this app, I don't know who, again, I really don't know who, and said that this girl is built like an old Victorian bicycle seat, we would be the bad guy. If somebody, again, I don't know who, was to come on this app and said her two kneecaps are sitting closer together than somebody's front teeth, do you understand me? Jamaicans, again, we are the villain. We're the villain. It's Saturday, bruv. It's Saturday. Some of us are at home making soup. Some are outside working. Some are stealing edge control and looking for their baby fathers. We're just doing what we traditionally do on a day-to-day Saturday basis. We don't bother anybody. We don't do nothing to no one. But yet we always sit at the pinnacle of dragging and we don't do nothing to nobody. And you know, it wouldn't be so bad, you know, because Jamaicans, like I say, we can defend ourselves. We can cuss back, you know. We don't really take nonsense from people. But, you know, small islands, bruv. If you lot want to cuss us, can you lot start sending your good-looking people, bruv, to cuss us, bruv? Can you lot stop making it so easy for us, bruv? We need a challenge, bruv. You know, don't be sending the girls that wearing necklaces is a myth, bruv. The girls that's heads are basically just sitting on their chest because they ain't got no neck. Like, the esophagus is a myth, bruv. You understand what I'm saying? Start sending the curvy women, the bad bees, bruv, the rich women, you know? Send those ones to talk about us for us to at least struggle in order to find something to say. Don't send girls that be out here built like bad credit, like their hip dip is in the minus, bruv. Don't be out here sending the girls whose hip dips be out here imploding like that submarine that went 12,000 feet below sea level, bruv. Send somebody else, bruv. Send some of the bad bees to talk about us, bruv. You understand? And Caribbean people, please, can we start getting along? Like, believe it or not, Jamaicans actually like you lot, bruv. We actually like you people. We like, you know, your little walk-up culture. We like your accent. We like your food. We like you lot stuff. We mess with you lot, bruv. We don't know why you don't like us, but we mess with you. And I know it's not all of you. I know that a majority of you lot are some beautiful people. You just have the rare few. Like this girl here that some could say breasts out here looking like 2 used tea bags. Do you understand? Longer than Mandela's walk to freedom. Let's be moving forward. We love you lot, bruv. You know, we cousins. You understand? We all came from the same place. Some of us, not all of us, but we all came from the same place. We all had the same struggles. You know, we basically, bruv, we all act and do the same nonsense. We roughly eat the same food. We just cook it the same way. Let us get along. We don't care if you people want to go and do whatever you lot want to do with dancehall. We don't mind for you lot to come and enjoy. We don't gatekeep nothing, bruv. We mess with you lot. We with you lot, bruv. You understand what I'm saying? If anybody talk about the Caribbean, bruv, we in there riding with you lot, bruv. Shotgun, passenger, we there with you. Can you lot just stop coming out here and dragging us? We don't do nothing to anybody. So Bahamas, if you lot could do Jamaica a favor, just a real quick one. If you could just do Jamaica a favor this one time and go have a word with Precious, because we don't need this. You understand what I'm saying? You know, it's not fair on us to be out here getting dragged by one of the members of your country that be out here built like an old mattress. We don't deserve that. Because you know what? We ain't done nothing to her. We ain't done a thing to that girl. You know? We just be out here spreading the love, baby. We're spreading the love. So yeah, may we all continue to unite for it is right. And, you know, enjoy the life of the Caribbean. Because being Caribbean is lit. You know, we just want to be lit together. Good night.
But I realize that some people in the Caribbean, some Caribbean island people, the man them take certain things so hard to do, you see me, and I them ever come for we, you know. Not even a lie. I them ever come for we. You see me? I guess I'm gonna tell you a little story. I tell you a little quick story, you see me? So one time we take the iron bird, you see me? I want to go over there so in Florida, you see me? On the iron bird, you see me? And I'm gonna tell you, people. One hand, what's that say? I make a set, me and my brethren, you see me? Me and my brethren make a set. You see me? Him a buy him, man. You see me? But him links for the yard, man. Them will link stink, people. Remember, I tell you, we link stink. So, the man go link one and little cat to them. Just fresh them off of the plane from Bahamas. You see me? Bring some fresh punk team and thing, you see me? Some fresh punk salad. Some fresh fat punk, you see me? And that she bring for the man and thing, you see me? Fresh out the island, you see me? So we pull up, pull up. Him say, yo, dread forward, no? So we go up at the apartment with him, you see me? Me I mind my business on the phone, you know. I talk to my little catty and thing, you know. You see me? Talk to my catty and thing. So guess what? Guess what, people? She hear me on the phone, I talk. You see him little girl, you know. Well, my brethren go link, you know. She hear me on the phone, I talk, you know. Not even see her, you know. But now I say she ugly or nothing, you know, but I don't see her. You see me? She never catch my eye. I still left on the phone. I work on my mission. You see me? So, oh, me and the girl in the background say, well, and I was trying to come from a Jamaican, something like that. You know, them talk, I can't, I go fuck around nobody accent. You see me? So, she asked where I'm from Jamaica. And me, my father say, yeah, bye. You see me? Yeah, bye. Jamaica. Yeah, dread, man. Me, I say, you bad, man. You see me? So, oh, the girl, I go say something like, the only good Jamaican is a dead Jamaican. People, but nah lie.
I
That
just
me
really find it
here.
crazy how
You see
Jamaica
me?
decides to come for the Bahamas. But let's really get into it.
Remember, me never trouble you. Remember, say, me never trouble you. This one, send me some back up.
In Jamaica, 17.1% people live below the poverty line.
What the blood clot this?
Jamaica is listed as not safe because of their locals and their harsh behavior. If you were to move and live inside Jamaica, you would find it hard to make money because they have less jobs opportunities.
Where from there?
Your old father.
All of my friends them a bang a pussy. Who is you?
Also, can't forget very limited emergency medical infrastructure. I really can't see how y'all could try send for the Bahamas when y'all basically living off of tourism and mining.
What? Kuya! Asu!
It's nonsense, and you should know better.
And y'all really trying to call the Bahamas broken? Y'all don't have not one casino inside your country? That is crazy.
I'm not a scammer. Don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that. The fuck there? You know what I'm saying, something, bruh?
The culture of the Yachty man them is bleaching their skin beyond repair. Just depleting all your melanin. My God. You want to look like Snow White, huh?
The skin just smooth out and girl them love it. What am I do? Wow. Oh.
Jamaica's crime index is 67.20 and their safety scale is 32.80.
What? I want to tell you this. Hey. Come kiss. Take a kiss out of this.
Bad we bad, Gaza bad we bad. Jamaica are the big dealer, everything else are small fries and side order.
Remember, you know, I see this girl from nowhere, I know her from Wappy Kill, Silo. You see me, and me hear that. Some look around for my dog and say, yo, what is brother? And carry me over here for this girl kill me. Kill me if you pussy on a mine. Pussy when not even a look fun. Pussy when not even one. Brother, you see me, and him say, no, dread, she said, what I say her, whatever she say in her time, she walk back and forth. I mean, I say, I want to hurt this girl, yo. It looks like some Jamaican girl go over there in the Bahamas and take her man. And then she does put in the whole groove. She does hate every Jamaican from that. Or some Jamaican drop some big good in her whole dog and left her. You see me? But what that have to do with me? And that me I think, you know, so after she make them slick talk there, I say, yo, Bridget, you know, so never go in the car. You see me? I see her look on the front like this and she don't know what to say, you know. I want to trick that to now for dirt tire, you know. Listen, but I tell you that, hey, I tell you, but that was it. You see me? Some of you say, why she had that kind of energy that towards my brother when he found back in the car? And I said, why she had that energy that towards me? You see me? Me that already have a little body in me and tatty and thing, you know. But she never give me the vibe. But that one, I mean, I know she must come from the trenches in the Bahamas. She must come from the deepest pit of hell in the Bahamas, sir. And most them type of Jamaican, they share link with for share try. Hate me, dog. I know some move like a tuggy and everything. I'm a link up on me. You see me? We can go anywhere you want and do it. You see me? We can do all of that. But I'm well grown and I'm well spoken too. You see me? Don't let me get up on your silk with dark. Midnight, we lock off the sun. You see me? We name the sun that we tell Father God, you know what, doesn't make it rise again. You see me? So 1 3, you see me? So all of that. That was his story. So that was one incident that I with the Bahamian girl where basically telling me say any good Jamaican is a dead Jamaican. But we also have a next thing with that. Me have a next little experience with a Trini. You see me? The man was just a hater for no reason. You see me? The man is see me I do a little 1 3 and just come over there like, I don't say the dread. You're going like you're the best of the you see me? Yeah, you see me I talk to a girl and that come over there and I try to slap my shoe for no reason. I see the brother from nowhere, you have your money and everything. I'm not even I say no, you have the money and everything, my dad. And I me the girl them a flap because I just saw my operate. And you still a try to slap my shoe, a little man shoe. You see me? Because you do up in the States. Long time I make your money big time. Me just come for visit. I visit me come for visit and the girl them see me and say, that's it. And you still a here, brother, me just fuck them and go back on my yard. You see me? So that I just so experience. You see me? I'm back on my yard. So I don't really know where else nobody else feel, but we can see certain comments on certain things, a certain topic on the gram and on the TikTok, on all of the media, we can see them. You see, we can see how some people disrespectful to our food, our culture. So guess what? Catch that and rub it out. Well, them say it can't rub out, but guess what? So it seems like Jamaica and Bahamas have a little duel going on, a little show taste, a little show off, a little punch out. You see me, them don't want to bring to the shootout because them know we're deadly.
Set away the fade Archie, about me know what you're thinking of. These more than you with the cuff and the top. Smart girl can position them not up. Yeah, pack up make me peeny. And the fade
Miracle stone. Then kiss me granny blue dress. Princess, how you in this side one? Eh? Set which way yourself, feel which birth back. And if I ever give you a birth lick, you see, dingy get up and repent. Set time. Suppose to disturb your follicles, eh? Suppose to interrupt your womb. Eh? With this only for shaking and shaking like that. Tell me something. What you learn at school today? Nationality. Okay. So, what is a national? But army now. Water crackers.
Yeah. Set away the play the
You see me? So that look like that a go on. You see me? But it's the kind of man them talk about the dancing, but we don't know so there's nobody in the Caribbean we have a fifth Jamaican a dancing. So I don't know why. Why you even bring that? We love you know everything na that. We love you know. We love you know like brother and cousin. If I know we are taking one, well nobody else not for taking one. Cause if anybody else jump on the neck, yo, the whole of we are gang up on them. But right now, why don't I look on big brother and I try? This brother, when time we just have mind the business, that smoke away, that drink away and nephew and thing. Brother, we just have vibe most of the time. We not time for people, you know. We not time for people, we are trying to get rich. You see me? All kind of this thing on our chat and thing. And again, let me say, I have nothing bad to say against my Caribbean folks. You see me? I love enough. You see me? I love enough bad. If I know enough, and nobody. You see me? But right now, away. It's look like I gang up and way. You see me? And oh, you see I start a duel with the man them we create. We wanna use duel with. We wanna use our dance a duel with. We wanna use our music a duel with. I wanna say I use our things for war with. Oh, you go use our dance techniques for war with. Oh, you go use our music for war with. Can you please put on something where you design, something where you create? Hmm? Come with your own thing, na brother. Why? For that. Forward your own thing, na brother. Forward your own thing. Forward your own slang. Forward your own everything. And we can call it a match. How you gonna use our style to try this way, brother? Hmm? You know, see, you know, we shadow. And we don't mind it. We don't mind it in our shadow, but if you be with shadow and I try this way. When you ever see the shadow try to overtake the main body, though the shadow see where it's supposed to be underground, brother. You see me? And don't get me wrong, as I said before, and I say multiple times, I share love for my Bahamian, my Trinidadian, my Guyanese, my Bayesian, the whole of them, the Haitian, the Kia man, you see me, the Venezuelan, the whole of our people, them, you see me, you see me, I saw we just fight and cuss, you see me. That's the next thing, you know, where it's a fight and fuss. It's a joke thing. Because we really not take it serious, people. We not take it serious. It's a joke thing. Hmm? This is just a pastime to it. You see me? This is just me sitting on a one mango tree, eat my mango. You know, probably drink a couple shots and just a laugh and a type and I say, come here, fuck that one, you know. You see me? It's a joke thing. We not take it serious. We have real life problem. You see me? We probably have real enemies from the black already for boss way and we just let on the net to play with you a joke. We can't talk with you, use nothing. When I play with you dog, well we is playing with you. Don't take it serious. Don't get bright at the same time. You see me? But anyways, people may tell you some interesting things out upon the media, dog. Some interesting things on the media. You see me? You have this barrel. I try this with food and whole a barrel. You see me? I don't know where them ship are from, but one barrel. You see me? She couldn't get clear a while. She couldn't get clear a while. You see me? She the overweight. Way over the damn limit. You see me? So I don't know where them are doing. Probably I send her back I just throw her overboard. You see me? But what about barrel of some food and things? A whole heap of things that are going on anyway. You see me?